right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the brush tool. So with this one, I'm going to select the brush, and we're going to, I'm going to do this. Let's go to New, and let's do Solid. Okay, I'm going to make a new solid, and then I'm going to go to the brush tool, and let's see if it will allow me to paint, which it should. Okay. It's not quite working the way that I thought it would. Let me just see why that's going on here. Brushes. So let's select the brushes. And let's go to the, if I click on the, there we go. So if I click on this, then I can draw with the brushes. Now I want to do a different color. I'd like to do a gold color. I think that would look cool. So let me go ahead and I'm going to save this first, and then I'm going to go up to Window, and let's go to, see if I can find where we can do character. Okay, let's do brushes. Now it should allow me to change the color. So I have that, but let's see if I can change the color of this. Okay, so I have that selected. Okay, so here's the paint. So let's go and let's kind of grab like a gold color. Okay, and I'll go down to here and we'll grab kind of like a gold like that. And then if I double click on this, now I can color with gold. Okay, and if I right click and create a new solid background, then I should be able to draw with my gold there. So that's how you get the brush to work. It's a little, there's a few steps involved compared to if you were doing this on Illustrator or Photoshop. I do wish that they would change that to make it easier, because it's a little tedious to do, but it's okay. So let me close that out. And there you can see that we use the paintbrush. Okay, now we have our cool text and learn tech. So that is the brush tool. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.